Welcome to our guide on turning off two-step verification for your Microsoft account. Let's simplify this process for you. First, sign into your Microsoft account. Open your web browser and type in account.microsoft.com. Once logged in, navigate to Security on the top menu bar. This is where you find your verification settings. Now, select Advanced Security Options. You'll see all your security settings in one place. Find two-step verification and click on Turn Off. It's important to confirm this change. Finally, follow the prompts to finish. Your account will be more straightforward without two-step verification. And there you have it! You successfully disabled two-step verification. Remember, disabling this feature may reduce account security. Always keep your information safe. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Microsoft support. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.